Hey guys, good morning. Actually, it's afternoon now. Isn't that the prettiest off-grid lady you ever did see?
Coldest. Already am hating it.
You can't say that. You're supposed to be hardcore off-gridder.
No, I'm not hardcore. I have no problem admitting it.
You can't be an off-gridder if you want to live in Florida.
You can too. People live in off-grid in Florida. They're just much more comfortable. It's true.
I guess I can't argue entirely with you.
You don't have to be cold to be an off-gridder.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
We got lots of little projects we like to get done before winter.
Usually try to use some fresh stuff, but our tomato crops didn't do super well this year, so just have to make do with what we got, right guys? And then we'll just let this sit here for the day. I'll add some salsa here. I'll go down to camp and grab some. Yum yum. Have a nice fire going, keep it going toasty, and happy.
Whew. Today I just all over the place, guys, all the time. So sorry, it's why it's been a little more difficult to make these videos. My brain, I'm just like all over the place trying to get stuff done for the winter, before winter. You guys just watched our outhouse video, trying to get some stuff done before winter for the sake of speediness. The outhouse, we got that done in 2 days because we bought 2x4s. I spent all day on the mill today. I made a bunch of siding, a bunch of live edge siding. Whole trailer full there, and another whole trailer full that I already unloaded. That's that big poplar I cut down about a month ago. I wasn't sure if the center of it was rotten, but it was a little bit. But it was such a big tree that I was able to rotate it and turn it and use everything but the core of it. So it worked out okay. The mill did pretty good. It doesn't seem like it's that unlevel. I was gonna work on moving it today, building, working out a platform today, but I had to move a bunch of stuff to do that, and I figured I might as well just mill the logs rather than move the logs. But I still have that big pile of oaks, so that's exciting. Those will be milled, like I said, once the mill gets perfect. Jenny I think showed you her chili she made today, so that's exciting. We're gonna have some nice warm food. It's really cooled off, guys. It was 70 some degrees last week, and it was a high of like 40, mid 40s today, and it's down in the mid 30s at night. So it's exciting. I can mill and not be a sweaty mess the whole time. Crackers? Oh, you get the good ones, and I get these crappy leftover ones. That's the plan.
That was a brand new box that I opened with those.
Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah.
Made yummy chili.
Over the wood stove. First meal over the stove this year. Yes?
Yep. Yum, yum.
So, we're going to dig in. Cheers. Thanks, guys.
For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. My breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
Holy cannoli.
This wood burns good if it's not wet, even though it's poplar.
One more trailer load, then what else you want to do?
Clean that area up and see where we can put the mill.
We're not dead.
Go ahead, take that piece of wood. Take it.
It's okay. It's yours. Go ahead. It's yours.
All yours, buddy.
Just gave you a piece of rotten wood. It's my favorite thing to eat. Just one little cloud, so we can unload this and
Hopefully it'll be gone. I'm gonna sit in the shed. I don't feel like taking my boots off. I'm too dirty. Take a break. Too dirty to go in the camper. Whew. Break time's over, guys. Oh, I do have something to show you real quick, and I want you guys to tell me what you think this is for. My mom went to a garage sale downstate a few weeks ago, and she picked up these stainless steel, what are they, catering pans? What do you think these are for, guys? Tell me what you think these are for. Put in the comments what you think these stainless steel pans are for. We've been looking for them, and we got a good deal on them. My mom found them. They're normally at like Gordon's. They're what? Normally like 30, 40 bucks a piece. And we had her get us 5 of them. Probably should have got 10 of them, but 5 was good enough. $5 a pop. So we got 5 for less than the price of 1.
for a mysterious project. Let us know your guesses.
What do you think those catering pans are for? Did you enjoy your break? Did you eat some candy or something while you were in there?
No, we don't have any candy.
Uh-huh.
We don't.
Jenny's the queen of buying candy, and then
No,
she wonders why I can't lose any weight, because she's got bags of candy everywhere.
You can eat one piece of candy. You don't have to eat the whole bag of candy.
That's not how it works.
It does. Guys, I can burn all this in about 1 day. Ask Jason.
If we weren't busy doing other stuff, that's what she would be doing all summer long.
Burning some.
Burning junk.
Get rid of junk wood and have beautiful fires. Good job splitting this, sir. That's really light wood.
Why it's junk. It's not going in the cabin fires.
Good?
What? You think this is all for you? Huh?
Let's go pee. Covering it for winter and the leaves so the leaves don't get on it and stuff, and then that way we're down.
Build a little campfire.
I'm gonna build a lot of stuff, guys. Like I told you last night, I'm gonna be building for the next 5 years.
What? You like being up high? That you're such a little dog? What? What? You like being at human level? You like being at human level? Huh? Huh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I triggered him. Jeez, dog.
What? You did! Oh my goodness!
Be nice, okay? Come here.